If you're seeing a GOG error server message, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you two quick ways to deal with it. First, we'll check whether the issue is actually on GOG's side, and then I'll show you how to bypass the launcher completely by using the offline installers from your account library. This is a super useful workaround if the Galaxy client is acting up, or if you just want to keep installing your games without waiting on the app. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is check for outages. Sometimes the problem is not on your device at all. It can be a wider GOG network issue, and if that's the case, the best thing to do is wait it out instead of changing a bunch of settings for no reason. Open your browser and go to the Downdetector GOG status page. This page shows reports from other users, so if a lot of people are having the same server error at the same time, that's a strong sign the issue is on GOG's end. Once the page loads, look at the current outage graph and recent reports. If you see a spike, or if other users are reporting login problems, store errors, or download issues, then you've confirmed it's likely a temporary server outage. In that case, there's usually nothing wrong with your PC, and the best fix is to wait a little while and try again later. You can also refresh the page after a few minutes to see whether the reports are dropping back down. Now, if the issue is not caused by an outage, or if you want to keep moving right away, the next step is to bypass the launcher. This is one of the easiest ways to keep using your games even when the Galaxy client is having trouble. Instead of depending on the launcher, go directly to the GOG website and sign into your account in the browser. From there, open your game library. Inside your library, find the game you want to install. GOG usually provides offline installers for your purchases, and that means you can download the setup files directly without needing the Galaxy client to manage the installation. This is especially helpful if the launcher is stuck, not connecting, or showing a server error. Look for the download options associated with the game and choose the offline installer files. After that, download the installer to your computer. Depending on the game, there may be multiple files, so make sure you grab everything required for a complete install. Once the download finishes, open the installer and run it manually. This lets you install the game directly from the files on your system, completely bypassing the launcher process. If the game needs additional files or updates, make sure to download those as well from the same library page. The goal here is to rely on the website and local installer files instead of the Galaxy client, which can save you a lot of frustration when the server is down or the launcher is misbehaving. This method is also great if you want a cleaner, more direct installation process. So to recap, if you get a GOG error server message, first check the Downdetector GOG status page to see whether there's a broader outage. If there is, the issue is probably temporary, and if you want to avoid the launcher altogether, go to your GOG account library on the website and use the offline installers directly. That gives you a reliable workaround until everything is back to normal. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials and software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.